Most creators spend hours picking a niche, researching topics, writing scripts, and stressing about visuals, only to cross their fingers and hope the algorithm cares. You bounce between a dozen different tops, and at the end of it, the video still looks rushed and generic. But what if you could replace that entire messy process with one single tool? Google's NotebookLM just received a massive upgrade. It is no longer just a simple research assistant where you upload a PDF and ask questions. With its latest updates, NotebookLM can now act as your full channel strategist. It can find viral topics, write perfectly paced scripts, build scene-by-scene visual plans, and even generate finished video overviews straight from your uploaded sources. Today, we are breaking down the newest features inside NotebookLM. We'll look at exactly how to use it to build a faceless YouTube factory, write high-converting video ads, and even accelerate hardcore scientific research. Let's dive in.
To understand why NotebookLM is so powerful right now, you have to understand the biggest problem with regular AI chatbots. When you ask a normal AI to write a script, it pulls from generic, recycled training data. It sounds robotic, and worse, it puts your channel at risk of demonetization because it lacks originality. NotebookLM is entirely different. It only knows what you feed it. You build a notebook and you load it with specific sources, like URLs to viral YouTube videos, copywriting blogs, or scientific papers. The AI grounds itself entirely in the material you provided. There is no guessing and no inventing facts. This turns NotebookLM into a highly specialized engine. If you feed it 5 viral YouTube videos, it doesn't just read the content, it absorbs the pacing, the hook structure, and the exact sequencing that holds a viewer's attention. Let's break down exactly how you can use NotebookLM's latest video generation capabilities in your workflow, starting with its new video generation capabilities. If you look at the right side of your NotebookLM screen, you will see a brand new panel called Studio. This is an absolute game changer. Underneath this panel, there is an option called Video Overview. When you click it, you are presented with 3 distinct format options: Cinematic, Explainer, and Brief. If you select Explainer, you can then scroll down and choose a visual style like Whiteboard. Once you hit Generate, NotebookLM creates a complete, highly produced explainer video with a clear voiceover and eye-catching visuals based on your script. It automatically generates the scenes, and while it places a small NotebookLM logo in the bottom right corner, you can easily cover that in your editing software. You just turned a text document into a fully produced video without ever leaving the app.
Out of the box, NotebookLM is just a research tool, but you can completely change its identity. By clicking the Settings icon inside your notebook and selecting Custom, you can paste in a specific configuration prompt. You can literally program it to act as a direct response ad copywriter. When set up this way, it won't just summarize text. It will ask you for your brand name, your brand tagline, and your target audience. It then writes a punchy 30-second video ad script using a proven 4-part structure: hook, problem, solution, call to action. It draws its techniques from the professional marketing blogs you uploaded as sources. You can also program it to act as a title and thumbnail creator. It will generate high CTR titles, thumbnail concepts, and even provide the exact text-to-image prompts you need to generate those thumbnails in other AI tools.
One of the most powerful workflows is what we call source mixing. Let's say you want to make a video about dark psychology. You can paste the URLs of 5 viral videos on that topic and then import web articles with actual psychology facts as additional sources. Your style comes from the viral videos, while your facts come from the web articles. NotebookLM draws from both at once. When it generates your script, you will notice small numbers sitting next to the claims. Those are source citations. Every single idea is traceable back to the material you loaded, ensuring your video is 100% original and factually accurate.
But NotebookLM isn't just for content creators and marketers. Google recently announced Gemini for Science, which includes a tool called Literature Insights, built directly with NotebookLM. For academic researchers and scientists, Literature Insights can search through dense scientific literature and instantly structure the results into tables with custom searchable attributes for side-by-side analysis. Researchers can use the chat feature to uncover deep nuances grounded entirely in their curated corpus of papers, and then instantly create high-fidelity artifacts like reports, slide decks, infographics, and audio or video overviews. So how should you actually be using this? If you were a YouTube creator, your best use case is the Faceless Video Factory. Use source mixing to combine viral video URLs with factual articles. Program the custom chat to act as a scriptwriter. Then take that script and run it through the studio panel to generate a whiteboard explainer video. You just automated days of production work into minutes. If you run an agency or e-commerce brand, your best use case is the video ad engine. Load NotebookLM with professional copywriting frameworks. Give it your exact brand inputs. It will generate a tight 30-second script, and then you can ask it to build a visual plan. It will map out exactly what text-to-video prompts you need to paste into a video generator to bring that ad to life. If you are an academic or student, use Literature Insights to process dozens of complex research papers. Instead of spending weeks building a literature review, NotebookLM will extract the data into custom tables and generate your presentation slide decks for you. The key difference between NotebookLM and tools like ChatGPT or Claude is the strict adherence to your uploaded sources. NotebookLM doesn't hallucinate outside information. If it isn't in your notebook, it doesn't make it into the final output. Here is the undeniable truth about using AI for content creation. AI doesn't replace your judgment, it speeds it up. The biggest practical takeaway here is that you are the creative director. The quality of your NotebookLM output depends entirely on the quality of the sources you choose to feed it. Two different people using this exact same workflow will create completely different videos because they will choose different viral videos to model, different articles for facts, and different brand inputs. Your unique edge is your curation. NotebookLM simply takes your brilliant curation and scales it into finished, monetizable products at lightning speed. We are entering a new era where the barrier to high-quality video production has completely vanished. The creators who master tools like NotebookLM today are going to build absolute empires over the next year. If this workflow opened your eyes to what is possible, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Drop the word "continue" down in the comments along with your specific niche, and I will build my next tutorial directly around the most requested topics. Thanks for watching, get out there and start building, and I'll see you in the next one.